What's going on? My name is Jaden Lewis and welcome to Orange Technical College East Campus. You know, our last campus was very cool. But now, in our bigger and brand new campus, we have some updates here in digital technology. If you look behind me, you'll see this is our pre-production area. This is where we come together to collab for ideas and use those ideas to bring our projects to life. We sometimes even use this area for podcasts, but there's another area where we use the most. Let's take a look at what that looks like.
This is our Podcast Central. This is where we use production side the most when we edit and produce our podcast. Podcast Central makes a great space for teamwork between our classmates. One thing that might surprise you is the wide range of topics that are turning into podcasts. Now let's hear what Asa and Jaila have to say about the podcast we produce here at DVT East.
Hello everyone, my name is Asa.
And I'm Jaila.
And this is our news station and also an area where we do various podcasts. My podcast is called Trivia Tuesday, where I ask various questions and let's just say it gets really competitive. And it's also one of the highlights of our week.
Let's not forget about other podcasts, all about sports, nothing about sports, campus news, and daily review. Now let's hand it back to Jaden.
Thank you, Asa and Jaila. If you look next to me, this is our Achievement Center. This is where we film our podcast with industry officials and career services to talk about the practice of soft skills and technical skills. If you follow me over here, this is our post-production area. This is where we use to add our audio levels and our CGs for our podcast. This is what we like to call the control center. Here at DVT, we like to use unique perspectives on all of our projects, just like this GoPro that's following me right now. Let's take a look at some other cool stuff that we have. These monitors are what we use to adjust and improve our production skills. We have our state-of-the-art equipment behind us and our 2 camera operators. As you may already know, we like to use unique perspective here at DVT East. And another way to do that is with our DJI Osmos. These Osmos have an AI tracking feature that can track my every movement right now. Pretty cool, right?
Wow, wasn't an amazing video?
I know, right? But none of this would have been possible without our amazing teacher, Mr. Cottle. He teaches his students the value of teamwork, likes to make sure everybody gets the most out of this program, and gets their hands on learning with all the gear that is available.
Hi, Mom. No, just kidding. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it. Here at Orange Technical College East Campus, we always give our best performances. Students like mine work very hard in every project they do. So, should we watch the next video? Roll it.
Glad to have you here. So Darren Cottle was our chief photographer. I work at CBS, that's WKMG in Orlando. And so my first when I fell in love with Darren Cottle, I'm gonna tell you the story, okay? We went up to Tallahassee and we were trying to change this law because people could text and drive without any consequences. And so we went up to Tallahassee and I grilled the Speaker of the Florida House and he wasn't expecting it and he was mad. And it was just 20 minutes of just awkward interview and the guy just stumbling all over the place, getting upset. And so after all of this awkwardness, he leaves the room. And I look back at Darren and he looks at me with this big smile and he goes, "Who are we getting next? Let's go." He was so excited. He always just got me jacked up. So anytime Darren asks me to do something, I will do it. That is our rule for now on. So I love that guy. If you get a chance to take a class with that dude, you will be in very good hands.
Hi guys, Maciel Leiva here with Spectrum News 13. I'm here at Orange Technical College today and I can tell you this is an amazing program. So if you're undecided on what to do, I really recommend the video and audio production program here at Orange Technical College. Don't hesitate, reach out because this is an amazing program. You have amazing teachers, amazing group of people here doing great things.
One OTC, one OTC, one OTC, one OTC.